It's a brand new day, time to wake up and get going. Every morning is like a do-over, a chance to start fresh. Imagine it as a blank page, ready for you to create something amazing. You've got the tools to paint your picture, write your story, and shape your future. But let's be real, it won't always be easy. Life is all about facing challenges, pushing yourself, and stepping out of what feels safe. The series where we break down the common financial habits and mistakes of teens. You know the drill, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, but I promise I won't bug you about it throughout the entire video. Now, let's dive into today's guide on how to navigate the world of finances and build up that net worth. Mistake number 1, living beyond your means. Starting with the most common mistake I've seen across all episodes, living beyond your means. Many millennials find themselves unable to afford their current lifestyle on their current income. It's not surprising, given that financial literacy isn't taught in schools. So, my number 1 advice is simple: spend less money than you make. 40% of people lack enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency. Use budgeting tools like Mint.com or PersonalCapital.com to track spending. The key is to make it a habit and cut back on discretionary expenses. Mistake number 2, ignoring investments. Now, let's talk about the long game investing. This is where you start building wealth. Take advantage of your prime savings years and start investing early. Compound interest is your ally, so seize the opportunity. Think long-term. Use your disposable income wisely and smash that like button if you're ready to level up your financial game. Mistake number 3, drowning in debt. A recurring theme in these episodes: debt. From credit cards to student loans, unpaid consumer debt can be a major roadblock to building wealth. Avoid consumer debt whenever possible. If you find yourself drowning, make paying off debt your top priority. Use credit cards responsibly, pay off balances in full, and don't let debt hinder your financial future. Mistake number 4, lifestyle inflation. Next up, lifestyle inflation. It's easy to get used to spending more as you earn more. Combat this by paying yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income before spending anything. Prevent excess spending by making saving a non-negotiable habit. Acknowledge it, work with it, and prioritize saving over constant spending. Mistake number 5, neglecting emergency funds. Emergency funds, a crucial component. Don't rely solely on credit cards. Have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible fund. This is for true emergencies, not for frivolous spending. Keep your emergency fund in a high-interest savings account for safety and accessibility. Mistake number 6, avoiding credit cards. Now, a reverse mistake: avoiding credit cards. While caution is essential, not having a credit card can be detrimental. Build your credit score responsibly, enjoy rewards, and protect your purchases. It's a crucial part of your financial future. Use a secured credit card, pay it off in full, and gradually build a strong credit history. Mistake number 7, fear of investing. Fear of investing, a common theme. Don't be one of the millennials who avoid stocks. Start early, weather the storms, and reap the rewards. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or other investments, educate yourself and take the plunge. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Keep it simple, stay disciplined, and let your money work for you. In conclusion, use your 20s to work hard, save aggressively, and set yourself up for financial success. Cut expenses, increase income, and make wise investments. Your future self will thank you. As the day winds down, Keep this in mind. Each sunset is like a preview for tomorrow's adventure. Every day is a shot to make a difference and bring your dreams to life. You're stronger than you think, braver than you know, and capable of some really awesome stuff. Believe in yourself, your dreams, and your vision. No matter what happens, don't give up. You're in charge of your story, so keep going, face the challenges, and never, ever throw in the towel. Remember, it's never too early to start building your wealth. Stay disciplined, and until next time, take care and invest wisely.